No, no, hang on. Let's go back to E. On the one hand, they say that this is not the mandate of ISI.
Right.
So it could have, then there should have been a full stop. As such, no concrete evidence is available on financial activities of TLP. So are they implying that only ISI could have provided this information? Why the word as such, no concrete evidence? Either you, if they say it's not our mandate, full stop.
Doesn't make sense, sir.
I mean,
doesn't make sense.
I don't understand what level of persons are writing this report.
It doesn't make sense.
Either they should say, we asked this, he said, I don't, this is not my mandate.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Whether we agree or not, that's a separate thing. As such, no concrete evidence was available on financial activities of TLP. But that's your job to find out.
I mean, it does.
You were given a specific job to inquire into any illegal financial and no other support.
And in paragraph G, then they...
But then what is your job? Then why are you sitting? What are you doing as a commission?
And
As such.
Yeah.
So they were totally reliant upon General Faiz Hamid's answer.
that's right.
And then we asked IB, we asked Special Branch, then what are you doing? As Inquiry Commission, you have to tell us, do you believe them? Do you think this is correct? You ascertain something, you apply your own mind. It seemed they had just outsourced it to someone else. Okay, now you provide us this information.
Inconclusive. There are no conclusive findings. I mean,
There is no finding at all.
definitive finding at
There
all.
is nothing.
Yeah.
Then what sort of Inquiry Commission this is? Where are the other two members of the commission? They also ill.
Sir, no, they're not ill. They,
Okay, let's proceed to the next one. To recommend.
G. The next is, my lord, page
To recommend.
G. To recommend action against those who issued edicts or fatwas during or in relation to Faizabad Dharna. This either harmed or put others in harm's way. A. Enough evidence on the record floats according to which...
They've given 1,000 names here.
G. 1,000 names, sir, and then...
To इसमें लिखा है to recommend action.
G.
Where is that part of the reference
Now,
made?
G. Under following page, under paragraph E, they say, in view of the above reasons, necessary action in accordance with law may be initiated against all those found involved in issuing edicts and against whom enough evidence is available, not only in this report, but also police and intelligence reports.
Again, they've not done their task.
So,
In
have
view
not
of the above
identified-
necessary action in accordance with law.
G. And have not...
I don't know what they're doing here. Where is the input of this inquiry commission? Let's read the judgment. पाकिस्तान का कितना नुकसान किया इन्होंने? देखिए पाकिस्तान का नुकसान करना तो बस अब वो लगता है कि एक वो है, राइट बन गया है, फंडामेंटल राइट। हम अपने जजमेंट में कहाँ है नुकसान की जिक्र? आग लगाओ, मारो, पीटो, सब ठीक है, ये हमारा हक है। इसमें हमने वो उसका वो भी लगाया था कुछ हिसाब किताब शायद, if I remember. ये पढ़ें पैराग्राफ 11
G.
पेज 331 पे आई थिंक।
Sir, applicability of Article 184(3) of the Constitution. Protesters had convoyed on major roads and highways. They pelted stones, damaged and burnt vehicles and properties.
ये इस्लामी तकाज़ों के अहम मुताबिक है ना?
जी.
आगे पढ़ें.
Ji. Ambulances, doctors, paramedic staff and other organizations providing emergency services, including those of firefighters, bomb disposal and rescue were prevented from rendering emergency assistance or would get unreasonably delayed searching for alternative routes to the emergency. Deprived of access to doctors and medical facilities, countless people suffered. An 8-year-old boy lost his life because the dharna on the Faizabad interchange prevented the ambulance in which he was being taken to reach the hospital. There may have been many more such similar cases which were not reported.
अब आज आप कौन सा पैराग्राफ पढ़ना चाह रहे थे?
Sir.
हाँ, पैराग्राफ 24 में.
जी. TLP's methodology. The leadership of TLP must have noted that despite the daylight slaughter of innocents on the streets of Karachi on 12th May 2007, its principal conspirators and beneficiaries were not punished. They must also have noted that when PTI-PAT had camped in the red zone for several months, they had achieved the setting up of a judicial inquiry commission. Though the findings of the inquiry commission had rebutted PTI's allegations, no adverse consequences followed. PTI's leadership did not even tender an apology, let alone clean up the area or pay to clean and restore it. Instead, PTI received a lot of free publicity. TLP had demanded that the words solemnly swear in the declaration of Muslim candidates be restored. The government conceded and the law was amended. As per unanimous view of all the intelligence agencies, TLP wanted to maximize political mileage for itself. The ambitious leadership of a fledgling political party projected itself as the defender of the Muslim faith. They provoked religious sentiment, stoked the flames of hatred, abused, resorted to violence and destroyed property worth 163,952,000 rupees. Nearly all economic activity in the country was brought to a virtual standstill by TLP. Pakistan's gross domestic product for the year 2017 was 32,406,956,000,000 rupees. Therefore, each day's shutdown is calculated to be 88,786,180,821 rupees. Intelligence agencies reported that politicians visited TLP's leadership camped on the Faizabad interchange. TLP received prime-time free media coverage and publicity, transforming it overnight into a household name. Two of its candidates got elected as members of the Sindh Assembly, and TLP got a sizable number of votes in the 25th July general elections.
आगे भी पढ़ने जरा.
Next
पाकिस्तान बनता कैसे और पाकिस्तान तबाह कैसे किया जाता है?
The right to protest. Article Para 25. The Constitution does not specifically stipulate a right to protest. However, democracy recognizes such a right, and it was through democratic means that Pakistan was achieved. The people of the subcontinent acquired independence from British colonial rule by the efforts of the All India Muslim League and the Indian National Congress. They peacefully protested, demonstrated, held meetings, and expressed themselves through elections, as a consequence of which two independent countries, Pakistan and India, emerged. Our constitution is moved in democracy. The people of Pakistan have declared that Pakistan would be a democratic state and that its citizens are dedicated to the preservation of democracy. Citizens have the right to peacefully protest and hold demonstrations, and may do so against any action or decision of a government or authority. The right to protest is also implied in the right to assemble peacefully, in the right to form associations or unions, in the right to form or be a member of a political party, and in the right to freedom of speech and in the right to freedom of speech and expression. Failure of
ये इन्होंने फिर क्या किया है? मतलब ये वक्त हमारा ज़ाया क्यों किया ये इस कमीशन ने, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये तो कोई फाइंडिंग दे ही नहीं रहे किसी चीज़ पे। मतलब मुझे तो कोई नज़र नहीं आ रही इनकी कोई फाइंडिंग कहीं हो। चलें अगला टर्म ऑफ रेफरेंस देख लें।
Number 3, sir. To inquire into inaction of Pakistan Media Regulatory Authority against broadcasters and cable operators who violated the provisions of law and code of conduct.
अच्छा, इससे पहले ज़रा वो भी मेरे ख्याल में देख लें। हमारा ऑर्डर 15 नवंबर का ऑर्डर पढ़ें 2023। अब ये जो आपने पढ़ा ये है जजमेंट 2019 का, 19 है ना?
जी जी सर।
अभी हम लिख रहे हैं 2023 में। You have it 15 नवंबर।
जी 15
अगर नहीं आप दे दें।
जी है सर। जी माय लॉर्ड। Should I read it out, sir, from paragraph number
15 नवंबर का शुरू से पढ़ लें।
शुरू से पढ़ लो। This court, by the judgment dated 6 February 2019, the judgment traced the history of orchestrated violent protests in Pakistan, paragraphs 20 to 23, and sounded a warning for the future. However, the concerns expressed by us almost 5 years ago were disregarded by successive governments. Review petitions and applications were filed, and these were not fixed for hearing, which hindered the judgment's implementation. No responsibility was fixed, nor was anyone held accountable for the violence of the past. It is not surprising that violence continued to be perceived as a permissible means to attain one's goals. Victims of those striving for an independent judiciary, an inclusive and tolerant Pakistan were disregarded without justice. The nation suffered the consequences, as evident from the recent events of 9 May 2023.
ठीक है ना, we are living, it's proven. Now let's see what paragraphs 20 and 23 of the judgment had said. Have we read those?
So we have read, no, we haven't. We read from 24 onwards.
And this was the
Sir, this is
it
a page
refers to the 12th May
Ji.
Karachi massacre.
Ji. Page
That is
335.
also part of our history. We don't want to consider it. So everyone will get more emboldened. आग लगाओ, मारो, फिर बात सुनी जाएगी।
Right, sir.
ये पढ़े 2007 से शुरू हो रहा है, 2023 में हम पहुंच चुके हैं।